Atta Anaya. Atta Anaya. I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it.
So it's the weekend, so happy weekend to you all. I know the last time that y'all saw me when I was doing the, I'm trying to open my lip balm and this shit is not opening. Oh shit, I gotta go use the other one. Hold on. The last time y'all saw me when I was doing the unboxing, the Amazon unboxing, yeah. So remember I told you I was going to do the facial that night. Damn, that didn't work. Like I was just not in the mood. I was tired and I just showered. When I was finished, doing work and all of that, I just relaxed, showered, TV, Netflix. That's all that I did. So yeah, that didn't get done, but I'm gonna try to do the facial tonight. I definitely need to do like a shorts video of unboxing the steamer and all of that, just for content. But we're getting dressed right now. I need to go to the supermarket again. I decided, well, I plan to go to the supermarket tomorrow, which is Sunday, but I was like, do I really want to leave my house Sunday morning at 9 a.m? No. So I'm just gonna leave my house today, Saturday. It is moving on to 3 o'clock. And I'm gonna the supermarket pack. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. I know sometimes I don't like people and the crowd and all of that. This is the busy of the supermarket on a Saturdays, on a weekend. It just icks me. So I don't even know why I'm putting myself in this position. But I figured just get the meat. I need the meat stuff to cook tomorrow and I want to like sort out everything from tonight. So let's just tomorrow Sunday. So what else got a supermarket right now? Pray for me. It's not, you know what, but that's what I said, pray for me that it's not packed, but we know say that's stupidness for me and toxic. Anyways, let's head to the supermarket. But by the way, y'all, I know y'all see my hair looking crazy. This is exactly how I got to the supermarket. I actually pulled up my hair last night because I don't know. I did my hair, is it 2 weeks since I did my hair? Well, probably this week may make 2 weeks. Is it 2 weeks I did my hair? Or just 1 week? Y'all, I don't even remember, but I don't know what wrong. I don't know, my hair was itching so bad, which is a first, and my hair got so dry, and I tried to moisturize it every way, but I don't know what happened, y'all. But I don't know, I just decided, I'm just gonna pull out my hair, give it a breeze. If anything, if I need to go anywhere, y'all know I have my clip-ins, so I just pull out my hair. So this is where run got supermarket. Wait, you see, I don't have no hair on my head. But we're gonna work on our hair. First thing, we're working on our skin first. So when we get into that routine, then we're gonna start with our hair. Buy some products, take some products to see what sticks to our hair or not, So one step at a time. May not go do everything one time because, yeah. But let's look on this mirror thing. I feel like my camera is lean, so if the frame looks lean, y'all, that is reason. But let's go to the supermarket. Just that, the only thing that we're gonna do. We'll definitely need some green banana and we need green banana and Irish, so I probably gotta stop on the road to pick up that anyways, because I may not buy that in the supermarket. Let's go. We are finished with shopping and I stopped at the smoothie bar. Wait, that's one is too big for that thing here. Attitude. Oh, it's perfect actually. Bruh, take not now come up. This is so good. So Stop at the super. No, let me turn off the thing because the thing's shaking. So stop at the smoothie bar at the supermarket. I normally shop at Brooklyn supermarket, so it depends on what I want. Sometimes I just come at the bigger one, which is at near Clock Tower Plaza, and in that one they have the smoothie bar. As you enter in, you see the smoothie bar. So this is my second thing I'm having for morning. This morning I only had cereal, and when I'm in the supermarket, I was like dragging my feet because I was so hungry. Okay, it's so late. It's 4:25 right now, 4:20 something, and I only had cereal for morning, so you should know that I am hungry. I'm gonna make, I actually bought burger bread and burger meat, so I'm gonna make burger and fries when I go home. So that will be my dinner. This is a tropical loca that I got. It have ginger, lime, and fruit blends, but I taste mango and I asked her if mango in it, and she said yes. This is super good. Why is this so good? I need to start making smoothie at my house. So the plan: go home, well, stop at the gas station, make some dinner, and then we're gonna attempt shower, then facial tonight. We gonna see. Alright guys, happy Sunday. So my chicken is in the oven. Amen. I'm actually doing jerk chicken in the oven. That's my first time doing it, and I don't know why, because the only thing you have to do is just put on jerk seasoning on it, and then it's called jerk chicken in the oven. I don't know why I've never done that. I've only done baked chicken. But anyways, happy Sunday again to you all. Y'all knew that I pulled out the twisted up that I had in, and yesterday I went on the road. Should just go to the supermarket to grab some food that I needed to cook today. So I'm finished detangling my hair, and we need to wash. Like, my hair is falling out like crazy. Y'all see that? By the way, I'm using the back of my camera, and I know I'll probably not be centered in the frame and all of that, but you know, we're using the back camera, so I can't really see. Let me see. Yeah, I can't really see like where exactly I'm at. Anyways, this is the amount of hair that came out. Wild. We're gonna wash our hair today. And then after that, well, I'm gonna wash my hair in the shower, and I'm not gonna video that because it's just too much work. Like, people who does videos in the shower is wild. So what I would have to do is leave my glass door open and ensure that, hey, my body is not showing up. I don't know, it's just too much goddamn work. And the thing is, remember, I'm using my phone and as a camera, it's just a whole lot of work, which we're not going to do today. So I'm going to wash my hair, but I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use for my hair. I did tell you guys that I will be trying, I really need to start up my hair. It's not growing, and I don't know, there's just something wrong with my hair, but I'm focusing on my face first, and then once I try this new products that I'm using for probably like a week or 2 weeks, then I'm gonna try to figure out what products, gonna research what products to try to use on my hair. But currently I'm just gonna show you guys the products I'm using now. So I'm checking, and it seems like I'm out of conditioner. I always use the Aussie 3 Minutes Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. Always use this in my hair. I bought these on Amazon, and it came in like a 3-pack. Initially when I bought it, I thought it was shampoo, conditioner, and something else, but all of them was just conditioner only. So this is what I use. So Aussie. And then I'm out of shampoo, but sometimes I use the L'Oreal this one, L'Oreal Total Repair Shampoo, and oh yeah, it's done. So I'm gonna add some water into it. So I need to buy some shampoo. But first off, I think I'm gonna do like a treatment, because I think the last time I did this treatment was probably like a month ago. So I'm gonna use the APH strengthening treatment step 1 and step 2 moisture and protect. So I'm gonna use these in my hair first. So I'm gonna shampoo my hair, then dispense this in my hair, use step 1 and then step 2, and that's it. So I don't think I need to deep condition my hair. How do I normally do it? Yes, I'm not gonna use Aussie today. I'm just gonna use the shampoo and then these 2 steps. This brand, APH Oggy, if that's how it's pronounced, Oggy. And then yeah, so that's it for my hair today. I'm actually gonna check on the oven first before I head into the shower, because it's gonna take a while to wash and all of that. So I will catch you guys when I'm out the shower, and then after that we are gonna do our face. We're gonna test our products today finally. So we're gonna do like a facial today and all of that. Oh, I still haven't vlogged my Amazon unboxing for the steamer, so I'm actually gonna do that after. So out of the shower, do my whole content, and then I come back here with you guys. I think that makes more sense. All right, let's get out of here. Can't believe how much hair come out. Oh Lord. Oh my Lord. So it's nighttime, y'all, Sunday night. So we're gonna do the facial right now. I decided to just wait until closer to bedtime and just do it. And you know, today was just so busy. I was cooking. Well, it wasn't that busy. The only thing I did was cooking and just tidy up a little and watch Netflix. I started to watch, I told you guys I started to watch Emily in Paris. I'm not sure if I told you guys in the last vlog, or this vlog. Honestly, guys, for this September, I told myself, yeah, I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. So sometimes I don't know where I'm gonna end the vlog and start a new one. I honestly don't know, because remember, I vlog and edit on my phone, and I don't really check what I really have until it's time to edit. You know, I probably need to do that, to check and start editing as soon as I finish, you know, vlogging, to figure out where exactly I'm at and where I want to end my video, and depending on the timestamp. So probably that's the next thing I need to implement. But besides that, we're gonna start our facial. I did a little short, so I'm gonna post it on my TikTok and YouTube. If y'all have not followed me yet on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube, please do so, y'all. That's how you guys support small YouTube creators. If they have different platforms, just follow them, like up their stuff. And this is if you like it, because you have to like somebody to even follow them, right? So yeah. Anyway, so I did a little content for the steamer that I bought on Amazon. It's Amazon, y'all, and remember, I have a Amazon storefront, so please, I'm asking y'all, if y'all like this and want to try it out, just use the link in my bio, because remember, Amazon shop, it has a affiliated link, and then once you buy from them, we get a little percentage, like some cents or whatever the case is. So yeah, that's how you can support me. Anyways, I got this headband in it, and I'm gonna put it on for my line. Y'all see I did my hair. After I washed my hair and dress, I was like, yeah, let's just put it in just in case I'm gonna go out, because you know it's Sunday night and it's I Love Souls, and y'all know I love souls. But yeah, we ain't going anywhere. But I'm gonna add this to it. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Oh bloody hell, I have to look down in the mirror too, by the way. Ooh. Okay, these bunny. Okay, it's not bad. I have to bend down. Let me just go over here to look at how it's looking. And just fix my hair again. Sort out this hairline. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but once y'all click the link down below, y'all will see it. It was pretty affordable. And y'all saw with the B-roll I poured, it was my refill water I used for the steamer. So I'm just gonna press the button to, oh, I don't need to get, oh, first thing we need to do, first of all, this is the first time like I'm doing a whole routine. The only thing I normally do is just cleanse my face and use my hydrocortisone for my eczema. And that's it, but we're gonna do a whole routine tonight, so thumbs up to me. Anyways, oh, I need to cleanse my face first, so let me show you guys what I'm gonna cleanse my face with. A daily facial cleanser. I've had this for a while and I still have a lot in it. And this is what I use practically every day to cleanse my face. All right, so I'm just gonna use a little to wash my face. Y'all not gonna see when I wash my face. Like honestly, it's just a lot of work to move the camera, and the camera is actually attached to my mirror here, so I literally have to take it off the mirror, put it here on the tripod so y'all can see me wash my face, so y'all will not see that. Ow, like 2 pimples came up and it hurts. Anyways, I'm gonna cleanse the face. I normally dap my face a little, so let me just wet my hands a little.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again.
Alright, so I'm actually gonna cleanse my face 2 times because, well, I don't need to because I'm gonna steam again. And you know what, I'm gonna cleanse my face twice today because today was a pretty hot day and I cooked and yeah, it was just a long day. So I'm gonna cleanse my face. Alright, so give me a couple seconds so I can wash my face off.
Feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow.
Alright, then I'm gonna still use paper towel to dry my face. Then I'm gonna steam my face. By the way, y'all, please remember this is my first time doing this, and remember everybody have like, you know, different routine and what works for them. So this is my first time trying, so I'm just trying to figure out, you know, what works best for me. But if y'all have any tips on, you know, what to do or the different, you know, your technique, I should say, and your steps, and you know, if you want to recommend products, let me know. And just bear in mind I have eczema, so it has to be something that's, you know, soft on the skin, not too rough. Gentle on the skin is the correct word. All right, so we're gonna turn on the steamer, steam our face. I think the 10 minutes is kind of long. Let me go for my other food so I can set the timer. 1 second. All right, so we're gonna set it for 10 minutes, but if not, we're gonna work to the 5 minutes because y'all, it's gonna be hot. Let's set it to 10 minutes timer. Hold on, I gotta turn on the button first for it to start heat up. Then I need to take the camera off the mirror and put it down here so y'all can see me just steam my face. Woohoo! All right, let this go on hot up first and then I'll be back. Oh, it starts already? All right, let me hurry up, y'all.
I'm so cozy.
This is enough. I'm tired. Yo, I'm sweating like crazy. So yeah, right on time. Okay, so I'm finished with the steamer. I did almost 10 minutes as I showed you guys on the clock. So now it's time for extraction. So this steamer did came with the extraction tool, so this is one of the reasons why I also bought it, because it came with the extraction tools. I did wash them, you know, just to sanitize them. So I'm gonna try to remove the whiteheads that I have, because I do have a lot. Alright, so I'm done with the extraction. Yo, my nose is getting red. What did she say? Okay. So I was actually on the phone, so I couldn't get to talk to you guys, but y'all saw where I used the scrub on my face. So now I'm gonna steam my face again, and then I'm gonna use the serum, and that's the last step. I'm gonna use the Good Molecule serum. So I'm gonna steam my face. I won't show you guys that. I'm just gonna do it right here. Steam my face. Oh, I'm gonna set it for a good 5 minutes. Alright, so steam my face for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, let's start. Finish with the 5 minutes. I'm just gonna dry my face. I'm definitely gonna have to steam my face again probably in the next week, because I see the whiteheads coming out, y'all. There were so many. I'm gonna use the serum. I'm just gonna use like 1 drops on each. 2 drops on each. I definitely did not touch these pimples that are just coming up, because y'all, they are hurting. As I touched them when I was washing my face, I told y'all already, like, yeah, no. So we didn't get to use the toner this time, so we're gonna leave the toner for another time. But that is the end of the self-care video. Let me see how my face looks. Looks okay. Yeah, so we're gonna watch or, you know, thing for a few days. I'm gonna moisturize. So that's it. I'm gonna moisturize with my hydrocortisone cream and then bedtime. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Like I mentioned, y'all, if y'all have any tips for you know, at-home facials, drop it down below. Products and all of that, because I want the information. So y'all just comment down below and tell me. But we're gonna watch our face for a few days to see how this works, and then I need to double how often should I steam? Let me know if y'all know. I'm gonna research it as well and see, because like I said, the whiteheads, the blackheads. Anyways, yeah, so see you guys in another video.